Alright, let's have a look. There's quite a few things in here, but we'll get to them all in due time. First of all, we'll open this up. This is the lens. This is the front of it and back of it. There's a adhesive on the back that we'll eventually have to get rid of. But before we get to that, let's clean our base. First of all, the wet wipe, label 1. Make sure you get every bit of the screen. We want to be able to clean it after the lens is on. Next, look at number 2, the dry wipe, where you get rid of all of the moisture from wipe 1. And it's looking good. But just to make 100% sure, use this dust absorber to get everything out. Just make sure you cover the entire surface of the watch. This is the front side, this is the back side. Guide sticker 1, guide sticker 2, and now you've got 2 little handles that you can use to maneuver the lens. So before we can place it into the watch, we need to remove the back sticker. Make sure it's centered nice and right. So you've got it centered, just push it down a bit. It'll stick as soon as you place it in, so make sure you're happy with the placement. And then pull off the guide stickers, like that. And now we're done.